Hi everybody, this is Paula at the Vespasian Warner Public Library, and sometimes you just need to take a little nap, and you need a little pillow. This craft is inspired by the oh so fabulous Arnie the Doughnut books by Lori Keller, that's me, and the true story of the whole story of the donut, which explains how donuts came to be. All you need for this is an old tube sock. Well, it could be a new tube sock as well, of course. Make sure it's clean and not smelly. And you can use for your stuffing either actual batting. If you don't have any batting at home, that is not a problem. Ask Mom if there's a whole bunch of old socks that nobody's wearing anymore. They will work. I'm going to show you how to do this with a t-shirt. Again, an old t-shirt. Get parents' permission first to use as the stuffing. And you just take that t-shirt, kind of fold in the sleeves a little bit there. I went ahead and just folded it in half to make the folding just a wee bit easier. Excuse me, the rolling. And that's what you do. You just roll up that t-shirt into kind of a loose roll. You're going to put your hand inside the long tube sock. The toe is very important. You can play with it as a puppet first if you would like. Hold on very, very tightly. Do not let go of one end of the rolled up t-shirt or the batting or the socks, whatever you're using. And this is also a time when if you have a helper it would be great, but go ahead and you're going to be pulling that sock down off your hand and down onto that rolled up t-shirt. Oh, and after a while you can get a good tug on it. There we go. And you want to make sure that the t-shirt is just not quite to the very end of the open end, because you're going to take that tube sock, roll it into a circle, go ahead and tuck in the toe to the open end, get a needle and thread, maybe some hot glue or some fabric glue, seal that up. I went ahead and got some little pieces of felt in circles. I just glued these on, and then of course after it's done, oh excuse me, give it the soft test.